Within the alliance, we have seven joint ventures, including the industry's most established joint venture across the North Atlantic joint venture between Delta, Air France, KLM, and Alitalia. We're the #1 alliance in China, and every day we have more than 350,000 passengers in China who take a SkyTeam flight. In the past 6 months, we saw the ASK growth amongst the SkyTeam members at about 4%, so a very healthy ASK addition. But what we're especially proud of, and I think is a reflection of the cooperation within the alliance, is that the ASK growth through a code share implementation within the alliance was double the natural ASK growth, so it was about 8%. And that shows that within the alliance context, the carriers are working together in order to leverage the joint network of the 20 members. We have focused, though, for the past several years, not so much on networking, but more on customer experience and how customers can benefit from flying on the alliance. And we think that we're a leader in this. We were the first airline to implement a branded high-value customer, a priority customer experience. We call it Sky Priority. And it's the marquee, the main benefit of SkyTeam for our customers. And it's the benefit that I would say is most highly prized by our customers as well. At the airport, we do a lot of work with the members in order, and the airport authorities in order to create a better customer experience. One of, I think, the good examples of that is what we do with lounges. We have now 6 SkyTeam branded lounges around the world. They are in Beijing as of earlier this year. We're very proud of that. In Hong Kong, Sydney, Istanbul, London, and Dubai. And today I'm very proud to tell you that, and to announce that we have our 7th lounge that's in development, our first lounge that will be in North America, that will be in Vancouver, which will be opening later this year in the 3rd quarter. So this is a great opportunity to go and help our members project SkyTeam, project a better customer experience, especially in airports where we don't have a home country, a home carrier that is present. Also within the airport, though, we spend a lot of time on what I call invisible moments. This is helping our customers who use the network of alliance carriers to have a more seamless experience. In some ways, we want our sign of success is if the customer doesn't even know that we were there. So for example, when a customer checks in at their origin station at, let's say, at point A, they're connecting at an intermediate hub to another SkyTeam carrier onto their final destination. We want them to be able to get their boarding pass at their origin point so that their connection is completely seamless, as if they were entirely in an online itinerary. And today we have nearly 90% of our customers who use interline connections like that will be able to get their boarding pass at their origin point. This is one of those invisible moments. The customer may never know that we were there, but they have a smooth and satisfying experience. We're spending a lot of effort at SkyTeam on technology. The technology in our industry is changing quickly, and it's a great enabler of progress. One of the efforts that we're making a lot of progress on is our SkyTeam Rebooking tool. This is to help customers who are faced with an irregular operation. As airline people, we don't like to talk about what happens when we're not punctual or when we have a cancellation, but we know that sometimes it happens. And also, this is a unique moment of opportunity, of the airline's ability to actually prove that we're focused on the customer and that we understand their needs and that we're able to get them to their destination as quickly and reliably as possible. Later this year, we will complete the SkyTeam Rebooking implementation. This will enable our frontline agents at any SkyTeam carrier airport location around the world to pull up a PNR that's been issued within any of the SkyTeam PSSs and to be able to action that PNR and service the customer, get them rebooked onto their final destination. This is a big effort because it links 4 different PSSs, TravelSky, Deltamatic, Sabre, and Amadeus, in ways that they've never been linked before. But our goal is that if a customer is at one of the farthest ends of the SkyTeam network and they have a irregular operation, that they'll be able to go to the first agent they see, who will be able to pull up that customer's PNR in their native system and be able to service them and get them on their way. And we really believe that this will be a differentiator for SkyTeam, and that we'll be the only alliance to have this sort of capability. We're also spending a lot of work now on helping the airlines to develop seamless ancillary capabilities. Ancillary services and fees are becoming a more important part of the airline business. And the experience for customers to purchase those, particularly where an itinerary includes an interline connection, is not always smooth. And we want to help our members and help our customers to be able to access those services in a better way. We know also that it's important to serve the commercial needs of our customers in different ways. And we have lots of different, with 665 million customers per year, we have lots of different customer types and customer expectations. Earlier this year, SkyTeam was the first airline to launch a SkyTeam branded or Air Alliance branded marine and offshore product. This is a group of customers who travel a lot. They have unique travel needs, a lot of one-way travel to unique destinations that are ideally suited for a global alliance network such as SkyTeam. And we also, earlier this year, have launched a China corporate contracting initiative that leverages SkyTeam's home market presence in China to connect with corporate customers in China who are growing and whose travel needs are becoming more diverse and more global in nature, so that our China members are able to sell increasingly the entire network of SkyTeam carriers. We're very proud of the work that we're doing on customer service and on tools that we think benefit the customer. I'm often asked, what's the future of alliances? Are alliances over? Are they finished? Yeah. And I talk about the life cycle of the alliances. We started off with as a tool for airlines to grow network, particularly to deal with the restrictions that exist in terms of cross-border mergers and transformation of companies. That phase of our life is done, and what we're worked on were more customer-facing initiatives, Sky Priority, and things that, global tools that would benefit our customers. But our next phase of life is to tackle some of these more complex problems, like what happens with irregular operations, like how we can enable the selling and servicing of ancillary products. They are inherently more complex to deal with, but that is, I think, our future. So we're focused less on bringing in new members and more about making the alliance interaction more valuable for the members that we have. With that, I thank you very much for your time this morning. I wish you all a good AGM. I'm happy to take a couple of questions, and then I'll also be available for the next 30 minutes or so before we all go upstairs to the general session. Yeah, do you want to take the mic?
Yeah, Kostas here, Drew.